Hello everyone, it's Crystal. I hope everyone is having a good day today. It's Thursday. I'm a little late with my unboxing for my April paper pumpkin because it just arrived. There were some shipping issues for Stampin' Up, so most people have late paper pumpkins. As you know, every month I order an extra kit. For April, I actually ordered 4 extra kits. But one of my kits is missing in action. So I only have 4 here. I'm still waiting for the 5th one to come. In July, I am going to go on a family vacation. So I'm going to see some of my grandkids that I like to craft with. So the 4 extra paper pumpkins are for them to craft with and play around with. So I'm going to put those to the side, but this is mine. I'm not going to do mine until I do my family vacation, but I am going to open it because I open my paper pumpkins every month for you all, so you can think about whether or not you want to subscribe in the future. So let's get started. So ice cream, that's one of the reasons why I bought 4 extras, because I have the ice cream corner sweet, so that's going on the trip, and with these paper pumpkins, and I really like ice cream. I had a running joke that I was self-medicating with ice cream during the pandemic. But here is the color. We have Bermuda Bay. That's the color for the paper pumpkin. I always give these away because I have the large size, so I'll make sure I take that on the trip. Here's my large one. I'll make sure I include that when I'm packing. Here's the stamp set. Let's see, we have a slice of watermelon. We have a popsicle. This looks like sprinkles. This says way to go, hey there, happy birthday, and you are so cool. Those are the stamps. Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper. I have this paper because I bought the suite. I believe I have some extra packs. I don't double check, but I'll make sure I take that on our family vacation. And here is our packet. This looks like some Coastal Cabana tissue paper. I saved that for gifts, so make sure I don't tear that. And let's see here. This is what we can make this month. You can make 12 different cards, and they're shaped like you can do a rainbow, watermelon, and some popsicles. So that's cool. So let me break this open. Bought a lot of arts and crafts items for our trip. I probably have more than enough, but that's my favorite thing to do when I see my little people. And COVID deprived me of seeing my little people in 2020, so I have to make up for lost time. So we have a sheet of dimensionals here. We have some twine. First, I'll go over the coordinating colors. So once again, we can make 12 cards with this kit. Here are the instructions. They seem pretty straightforward. There's only 4 steps. And then we have our coordinating colors. We have Bermuda Bay, which is our Stampin' block, Blackberry Bliss, Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Old Olive, Terracotta Tile. That there. Some cardboard, some chipboard, I'll save that for shipping. We have some mini glue dots here, as usual. Have our envelope, and they are lined. That's cool. Envelopes are lined with stripes and the coordinating colors. And we have 12 of those, and they're all the same. And then let's see, we have some popsicles here with the old olive coloring. So we could do some 3D projects if we really wanted to, but we can do some cards with that. Then we have some rainbow popsicles. We have some watermelon here, 3 of each. So this twine is Bumblebee. And then we have some rainbow cards the same shape as the watermelon. We have some pop-outs here. Sun, fruit, more fruit. And then you have some longer, are these pop-outs? No, these are stickers, okay. Oh, that's cool. These are stickers, and we have 2 sheets of those. We have these pop out, and we can stamp on those. So we have 2 sheets, 4 rectangles on each sheet, 4 circles on each sheet. That's more than enough. And then we have some, okay, these are pop outs, and these are silver glitter. Let's see. And everything is better with glitter. So we have some scallop circles here, and then we have some rectangles here. I'm not going to pop everything out, but we have 1 sheet for that. So that is our kit for this month, April 2020. No, this is 2021. April 2021 Paper Pumpkin. I'm excited to work with it. I'll keep you posted on my 5th box. Hopefully it will arrive soon. I hope I don't have to go chase it down. I tracked it, and there was no information, so that's not a good sign. But this is what we will be working with on vacation. If you have this kit, please let me know what you decide to do, what you decide to make. Show me some of your projects. I'd be interested to see what they are. Continue to enjoy your day, and happy crafting.